Alright guys, I've got another grocery haul for you today. This is for this week's groceries. I went to Aldi this time because I really need to get back into going there to save us some money. I spent just under $50, so it was $49.67 I believe. I'll start over here. I got 2 loaves of the 12 grain bread. These were buy one get one free, so they basically were like 90 cents a loaf. And I'll freeze these. 2 packages of the Fit and Active whole wheat flour tortillas, 3 green peppers, a bag of Roma tomatoes, 1 gallon of milk, 2 boxes of this Fit and Active Vitality cereal with red berries, a box of bran flakes. I will probably like mix those together in one of our big cereal containers. Got the kids some more marshmallows and stars, 1 can of black olives, 2 cans of diced tomatoes with green chili, 2 cans of tomato sauce, a can of sweet corn, a can of refried beans, jar of their organic thick and chunky medium salsa, what's this, 1 pound of mild cheddar cheese, 2 boxes of the smoked snack sticks, both of the kids like to snack on those, some bananas, strawberries, blueberries, grapes, a bag of salad, some of the Fit and Active lean ground turkey, and some chicken breasts. And then back here I've got 2 boxes of Kleenex and 2 containers of hand sanitizer. I'm sending these to school for Jackson's classroom. They're running low, so I picked some of those up for their class. But this is what we got this week for groceries. Again, spent just under $50. And my meal plan consists of a lot of Mexican type skillet dishes and bean burritos and stuff like that, which is why you'll see a lot of the, the tomato sauces and beans and stuff. So that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and we will see you next time. Bye.